Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Muizzuddin and I will begin with introduction. For introduction, a manufacturing process is carried out as a unit operation, which is known as a single step in the sequence of steps to transform material into product. Manufacturing operation can be divided into processing operation and assembly operation. So what is processing operation and assembly operation? Processing operation is transforming work material from completion state into advanced state, where assembly operation is joining two or more components into new entity. So there are categories of processing operation, which is shaping, property enhancing, and surface processing operation. So what is these three operation? So shaping operation is alter the geometry of the work material, which is including casting, forging and machining process. For property enhancing operation, the process is about improving physical properties of the material without changing the shape. For surface processing operation, it is when the exterior of the work is clean, treat and coat through plating and painting process.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rajan Rafiz Rajan Azman, AN 10163. This is a literature review. First, M. Sabari and other in 2015 has done the comparative study of Kawil rim material for its deformation. In this study, they consider the type of material, which is carbon steel and aluminum alloy. For this research, two parameters were changed, which is load applied and speed of wheel rim. By observing the graph, they found out that when the speed increased, then the displacement of both material also increased. So in the end, they conclude that the displacement in alloy wheel rim is more than the steel. Next, Suraf Das in 2014 studied the design and weight optimization of Sport Utility car wheel rim by taking ALSI7 and G0.3 aluminum alloy wheel. He then concluded that magnesium alloy are light in weight, very good heat conductor, and excellent aesthetic appearance. For the last one, the research was done by S. Ganesh and others in 2014, where they studied the AL356.2 aluminum alloy wheel. The study done on spiral wheel rim used for four-wheel vehicle and given the properties of various rim material with some drawbacks. They were wondering if the magnesium rim are strong enough but not suitable for off-road vehicle, then why they are used in Mercedes G car models. Finally, they conclude that the disadvantage of magnesium is when the rim is bent, it cannot be repaired. Recommendation. For manufacturing companies such as Ray Engineering is recommended to go green, where company workers use favor natural resources, reduce pollution, reduce waste, recycle and reuse material. This is some green manufacturing practice they can do. First is to implement safety measure by utilizing automation tools, AI, IoT, and cobots. This basically mean to let human working with robot like AI and cobots. Cobot is a collaborative robot that will help human working on dangerous job and reduce risk like injury and prevent further harm. Second is to use circular manufacturing to save energy and reduce waste. This can be done by recovering resources and repurposing the materials, lending equipment as a part of the sharing economy. And the last one is to using predictive maintenance to increase the lifetime value and durability of machine and equipment.
Next, we continue on discussion. So, what is the main issue of existing manufacturing process in the company? So, in wheel production company, the wheels for light vehicle are manufactured by cold forming or of slit hot rolls stripped from low carbon steel with or without micro alloying. The cracking wheels are not usable and may cause serious damage to the end user if deformation is occur in the product. The issue also caused by a number of hairline cracks and severely distorted structure were also observed at the edge of stud holes. The resulting fine cracks grew during service under fatigue and caused premature failure of the wheel. So, what if 5 important uses technology in green manufacturing? Firstly, manufacturer has moved to all steel wheels into aluminium wheels. It can be proven on its lightweight. For secondly, the use of flow forming in wheel manufacturing gives important in green manufacturing, such as the tensile strength and elongation is slightly increased than cast wheel. Next, the technology in cast wheel also improve the quality of wheels. It is featured with the special water jacket that precisely control the casting temperature, also reducing the metal porosity that inherent with casting. Next, manufacturer use the forged material and produce the forged wheel. Forged wheel, we know that it is lightweight and rigid. Lastly, the finished wheel is treated with special electrochemical treatment that protect from corrosion and enhance the wheel shape. So, is that for discussion? Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wan Shafili Bewan Fauzi and my metric number is AN10102. So now it's about conclusion for our project. From our project, we got the idea by discussion with my team members, and actually we have used all about what we have studied in manufacturing subject. So actually in our project we have focused to technologies green manufacturing. So actually adoption of green manufacturing technologies is not just a social obligation but a growth catalyst. Moving towards green manufacturing has the potential to achieve sustainable development and eradicate poverty on an unprecedented scale with speed and effectiveness. So, a green manufacturing economy substitute clean energy and low carbon technologies for fossil fuel, which address climate change, create job, and reduce import dependencies. And new technologies promoting energy and resource efficiently provide growth opportunities in new direction. And the loss is when one possible solution would be investment open and established for eco-industrial part and our economy. That's all from our group. Thanks for manager Dr. Rahim. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.